Beane here. In this video we are going to draw a candy corn. For this video I'm going to be using black, blue, orange, yellow, red, a dark yellow colored pencil, an orange one, a gray one, a gold gel pen, and a white gel pen. But use whatever you have. Okay, so right about here we are going to start drawing a curved line down on both sides to start out our candy corn. And then draw a curved line around. And I'm using my orange for this. And you don't always have to outline in black. You can use any color that you want. So this time I chose orange because I thought that was a good color for this. Now you're going to draw a curve here, and then another one down here. Go ahead and grab a black marker, and we're going to draw in the little candy corn's eyes, and draw 2 ovals. Now we're going to go ahead and draw a little line in between the eyes for a little nose, and then a curved U shape, and then another one coming off of that that's longer for the mouth. Then draw a little curve for the tongue. Now we're going to draw a line going through the eye like this that's curved, and do the same on this eye. Now we're going to draw a little tiny circle right on the edge of that. Another little curve for the pupil of the eye. Now we're going to draw his little arms. Draw a little circle on the end of that for a hand. And do the same on the other side. Now we're going to draw 2 lines on the bottom for the legs. And then 2 little circles, one on each of those. And they both look like little music notes. Do you like candy corns? I think they're super yummy, and I love it when they come around during Halloween time. So go ahead and get your orange marker, and we're going to start coloring in. What's your favorite candy to get at Halloween? I always like getting chocolate stuff, like I've always loved 3 Musketeers, but I also really enjoy Skittles. Just go ahead and go around the face when you're filling this part in. And the next color that you're going to get is going to be yellow. Now we're just going to fill in the bottom of the candy corn with the yellow. Grab a red marker, and we're going to fill in his hands. And of course you can use whatever color you want to use. And then I'm going to draw little cheeks right under the eyes, and I'm going to color in the tongue. I'm going to fill in the rest of the mouth with black. I'm going to draw a couple little eyelashes, just because I want to. Now I'm going to use a blue, and I'm going to color that middle circle there and leave the other parts white. Now for some details, I'm going to grab my gold gel pen, just kind of go around the top of the eye. And now I'm going to go around the outline of the candy corn. I'm just kind of scribbling. A little on the hands and the arms, and then also on the feet and legs and on the curves of the candy corn. Now I'm going to grab a white gel pen and I'm just going to kind of go color in that little circle a little bit more, a little on the nose, a little on the top of the mouth and the tongue, and on the tops of the cheeks. A little on the hands and the feet. And now we're going to actually do something a little different. I'm going to take a darker yellow or light orange colored pencil and color around just the outside of this yellow part just to make a shadow on the candy corn. This is actually kind of a, dark yellow. See how it makes it look a little more shaded on the sides. Now I'm using a darker orange on the sides of the orange portion of the candy corn. And now I'm going to use a gray on this top part where the white is, just on the sides. And there you have it, a cute candy corn just in time for Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, watch my other videos and subscribe so you can know about new videos.